Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Black Gold. Nothing is prettier than a holiday cactus in full bloom. These spine-free cacti come from Brazilian coastal rainforests. In North America, they bloom from late fall to early winter with brilliant flowers of magenta, pink, red, or white. Full-grown specimens can reach 2 feet high and a good bit wider. The two most common types bloom at different times. Thanksgiving cactus blooms earlier and has stem segments with jagged teeth. Christmas cactus blooms around Christmas time and has smoother segments. Plant Christmas cactus after bloom time. Plant them in slightly larger planters with drainage holes. Choose quality planting mix with good drainage. Pick a spot with partial sun or bright filtered sunlight. The soil should be lightly moist, never wet. High humidity is a must. Feed with an all-purpose slow-release fertilizer as recommended. Fall care. Bring plants indoors before frost. Water little to none during October. This is when plants begin to set buds. Cooler temperatures and humidity are needed for good budding. Buds appear on the stem tips when day and night times are equal. Once buds appear, water lightly. Winter care. After blooming, clean up old flowers and water very little. Make sure conditions are cool and humid. Spring care. Upgrade plants into new pots if they seem pot-bound. Add fresh fertilizer. Once the threat of frost has passed, place them outside under a covered porch or patio. Summer care. Water plants as needed and don't allow them to get too dry. They'll thrive outdoors when conditions are warm and humid. Start new plants by rooting cuttings. Take a tip cutting with a few segments. Let it dry for 2 days to avoid rot. Then place the base in lightly moist vermiculite or potting mix. Roots will appear in several weeks. These plants have few pests and diseases, but poor growing conditions can cause some real trouble, including flower bud loss, which is a sign of stress that's often due to dry soil, overwatering, or too little humidity. Purple foliage, which means plants are getting too much sunlight. Wilting, which happens when soil is too dry. The stems may even become wrinkled. Or yellowing, which occurs when the soil is too wet. Let it become moderately dry between watering. Good care will prevent these problems. Happy holiday cactus growing!